All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. We are going to take the python out real quick. I brought my extender finally, so I don't have to worry about the distance it's on. Already got the battery inside, so we're just going to turn this bad boy on and get rolling. Let's clear this out. Track, start. Whoops, that was 91. That was my last run. Stop, read, 0. Track, start. It's pretty hot out here today already, guys. You can see it tracking. I put a 32 pinion in there from SpeedTek RC. Go to speedtekrc.com. Anything on their website, use Kurt's RCs as a code to get 10% off. And yeah, so let's try this, guys. I got it's already 90 degrees, only not even 10 o'clock yet, so fix my little cushion here. It's kind of falling off. So I got a 32 pinion, 35 tooth spur with a SpeedTek. Both gears are from SpeedTek RC, and then also the SpeedTek RC Speed Spool. They come out with all sorts of spools, guys, for the maxx. I mean the xmaxx, sorry. Of course, the arrmas. All right, let's go. Nobody's coming. See what we can do here, guys. Some straight up crazy interference out here right now, guys. Almost like it didn't have any brakes at the end there. I got it back though. It's like it doesn't have, yeah, the brakes are barely have any brakes on that bad boy. Let's see what you did though, guys. Let's see right here. All right, stop, read. Dang, only 93. Yeah, I had to let up off of the end, so let's go one more time. Should be all right, hope. Start, okay. See if I can get it up to speed a little faster. I went way down there. It just took me a long time to, I still had a lot of trigger when I came by. All right, let's see what we can do here, guys. Oh. Oh man, I wish I had a different camera angle set up. I don't know if we got that or not, but that thing was doing a wheelie. I can't believe it was doing a wheelie. Right about there, it started popping a wheelie, but it stayed on it. I stayed on it, and it dropped back down, so that was kind of crazy. Wouldn't think this thing would do a wheelie. Bugs around here today are crazy. All right, let's see. Stop. Read 96. A couple more miles an hour. New PB. I think I could have got a little bit more, but it did a wheelie. Not sure what I can do to that for that. I don't know if I take the wing off, if that'll help. I already lowered the front down, so yeah, that's cool. A couple more miles an hour, guys, and I do have enough room to put another couple teeth on there, but it seemed like it cut out on me too. Yeah, motor's a little warm. We'll have to let it sit for a little bit. I don't want to fry the motor. Will maybe come out next time. I was only going to come out for a minute today. Yeah, 107 ain't bad. 110. You guys can see that. See what the pinions are. 97. ESC. Yeah, ESC is a little warm. 120. 128 is the highest. 129.5. So yeah, okay, we're good. We'll let that cool off. We'll let that cool off and come out again after. Not so hot. So there you go, guys. Another new PB, getting closer. 96 miles an hour. I think we can get a little bit more out of this right here. We'll try 1 or 2 more times trying to get above 96 and get a little faster speed coming from here. Get up to speed a little sooner. Like I said, right around that. I don't know if you can see that reflector right there. It was doing a wheelie. So hopefully I caught that on the camera. Zoom in on it maybe. So, all right, guys. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and y'all have a great day.